How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you have to do is you simply have to scroll down, and there you'll see the option labeled as blocked users. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you will see the list of all the peoples that you have blocked. So there you can just tap on X icon next to the username of that person that you want to unblock. And once you do that, you can confirm your action by tapping on yes. And if you do it, then the person will be unblocked from your Snapchat account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.